In this video, I'll show you how you can fix 502 bad gateway. First step is you want to open up the browser that you're using. I'm using Google Chrome, and on Chrome you want to head up here and go to settings. Now on the other browsers it's similar, so just try and find the same stuff that I'm finding. Go to settings and find privacy and security, and in there you want to press delete browsing data. Then what you want to do is once you're in here, you want to press all time and you want to delete these three. Delete the data and then you can close it down. After you've done that, you want to head over to About Chrome, click here and make sure it's up to date. If you need an update, just take it and then you can close it down. After you've done that, search for CMD, right click and run as an administrator. Once you have it opened, you want to type in ipconfig /flush DNS and then type netsh winsock reset. Once you've typed both of these, you want to restart your PC and now it should hopefully work. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.